Hello, Ben the Pat Tester here. Quick video today to explain why it is not acceptable to use a 2.5mm flex in a standard UK 13 amp plug. Some people will say yes, you can do it, yes, the cables will fit, no problem, there's no problem with safety. The code of practice says that the maximum flex size allowed in a UK plug is 1.5mm. Now here we have a cable, 2.5mm cable. Now as you can see, it's a bit of a squeeze. Yes, the strands will go into the terminals there, you can see, and then people say, oh, there's no problem there, but you can see there the cable grip on a 13 amp plug will not stretch and fit a 2.5mm cable. If you try and put in a cable grip there, you'll snap it because it can't deal with the increased size of the cable. You can see there as well, it's too big, there's some strands hanging out of the terminals, and it just hasn't been done very well. You'll find this on coffee machines, cooking equipment, restaurants, bars, catering, that sort of thing. Don't do it. If you see it, don't pass it. You need to fail it. You need to instruct the duty holder to get the appliance looked at. It's just not the right thing to do. So make sure you do flag it up. Keep an eye on those flex sizes, and call out these things that you find, because this will only help the safety of the people that you're testing for, and it also shows that you're doing your job properly by looking out for little things like this. These sort of things as well should be picked up by the visual inspection before your pat testing machine even comes anywhere near that plug. That's ultimately a fail. So another reason why a visual inspection is so important.